Projectors for mural and street painting are in growing demand as artists look for faster, more accurate ways to scale sketches onto large surfaces. They also appeal to typists and gamers who value precise setup switches, clean layouts, and efficient workflows when turning digital designs into real-world art. This guide evaluates switch type, focus and zoom and setup control, build quality, projection layout, brightness. Product number 1. Hyreke Art Projector for Tracing. The Hyreke Art Projector for Tracing is a practical entry-level option for artists who want to transfer drawings, illustrations, or mural outlines with minimal setup. Its key switch type is the simple focus and height adjustment system, allowing artists to quickly resize images by moving the projector closer or farther from the surface. This makes it intuitive for beginners and casual mural work. Build quality is lightweight yet functional. The body is usually made from durable plastic, keeping the projector portable and easy to transport for street or on-site mural projects. While it may not feel as rugged as professional-grade units, it performs reliably for indoor walls, canvases, and sheltered outdoor spaces. Layout flexibility is one of its strengths. The adjustable stand allows angled projection onto walls, floors, or panels, which is useful for sketching outlines on uneven surfaces. It works well with printed images or transparencies, giving artists control over scale without complex electronics. Value-wise, the Hyreke Art Projector is an affordable choice for beginners, students, or hobbyists. It's ideal for tracing murals, lettering, and basic compositions, where ease of use and portability matter more than extreme brightness or precision optics. Product number 2. Drawing Projector. The Drawing Projector category covers simple optical projectors designed for sketching and mural transfer. The switch type here is purely manual. Focus is adjusted by distance rather than lenses, which keeps operations straightforward and reliable in the field. Build quality tends to be minimalist. Most drawing projectors are lightweight and compact, making them easy to carry to street art occasions. While they lack advanced materials or reinforced housings, their simplicity reduces the risk of mechanical failure during use. In terms of layout, drawing projectors are versatile. They can project onto canvases, walls, sidewalks, or wood panels, depending on ambient light conditions. They're especially effective for nighttime mural work or indoor environments where light control is possible. From a value perspective, drawing projectors are budget-friendly and accessible. They're best for artists who want a basic, no-frills solution for scaling designs. While not ideal for very large murals or bright outdoor daylight, they remain a dependable tool for sketch transfer and creative planning. Number 3. Artograph Easy Tracer Opaque Art Projector. The Artograph Easy Tracer Opaque Art Projector is a trusted classic among muralists and illustrators. Its defining switch type is the precision focus lens combined with adjustable height and tilt controls, allowing accurate scaling of images up to wall-size proportions. Build quality is noticeably more robust than entry-level projectors. Artograph is known for durable construction, and the Easy Tracer's solid housing and quality optics ensure consistent performance. It's designed for repeated professional use rather than occasional hobby projects. Layout and projection quality are excellent for detailed work. The opaque projection system allows artists to project images directly from printed references, books, or photographs without digital conversion. This is especially useful for mural painters who prefer working from hand-drawn or printed concepts. Value is strong for artists who want reliability and accuracy. While priced higher than basic tracing projectors, the Easy Tracer justifies its cost through optical clarity and dependable scaling. It's ideal for serious mural artists who want consistent results without complex technology. Product number 4. Artograph LED Tracer Opaque Art Projector. The artograph LED tracer opaque art projector is a modern upgrade designed for efficiency and brightness. Its switch type includes smooth LED-powered illumination with precise focus adjustment, offering brighter projection with less heat compared to traditional bulb systems. Build quality is professional grade. The LED system not only lasts longer, but also reduces maintenance, making it suitable for frequent mural and street art projects. The housing feels sturdy, and the internal optics deliver crisp edges for clean tracing lines. Layout-wise, this projector excels in versatility. It handles a wide range of projection sizes, from small sketches to large wall murals. The LED brightness improves visibility in semi-lit environments, giving artists more flexibility when working outdoors or in shared spaces. In terms of value, the LED tracer sits in the premium category, but offers long-term savings due to low power consumption and extended bulb life. For artists who work regularly on murals and need dependable brightness and clarity, this model is a strong investment. Product number 5. ArtMaster Professional Art Projector, made by artists for tracing, drawing, and murals. The ArtMaster Professional Art Projector is designed specifically with working artists in mind. Its switch type focuses on professional-grade focus and scaling controls, allowing precise adjustments for large-scale mural layouts and detailed street art designs. Build quality is excellent. Constructed with durable materials and stable supports, this projector is meant for demanding use. It's portable enough for on-site mural work, yet sturdy enough to maintain alignment during long tracing sessions. Layout flexibility is a standout feature. The projector accommodates various reference formats and projects clean, evenly scaled images across large surfaces. This makes it ideal for complex murals, lettering, and detailed compositions where proportion accuracy is critical. Value-wise, this is a professional investment. It's not the cheapest option, but it delivers reliability, clarity, and artist-focused design. For muralists, street artists, and professionals who rely on projection daily, the ArtMaster Professional Projector offers excellent long-term value.